Suggest that you turn the electrodes around. And we, of course, need some individual skills from our PhD students, but if they do not have the ability to work in a team, it's very difficult to get the work done. Yeah, but you already started on this side.
One electrode here.
Yeah, so
one more here.
I think the Danish way of working is that you have a very informal relationship between professors and PhD students.
Can you just solo?
Or try to ask him to open forcefully. You may act more like an advisor or facilitator in improving or solving a certain problem. So it's not like you have to do this and this and that, but we really encourage our PhD students to be able to think independently and critically as well. So let's just have a look at the quality of the signals. We try to promote critical thinking by having an informal relationship and to get rid of the formalities, and of course also always to encourage by asking, how do you think yourself? How would you solve the problem? So let's try to do another split.